Pefin Robo-advisor for investing honest review. What before using? Pefin was an AI-driven financial advisor designed to provide personalized financial planning and investment advice using machine learning. However, Pefin has shut down and is no longer available as robo-advisor. And here are the key features of this AI website. It has an AI-driven financial advice, investment planning, and goal tracking. It also provides automated portfolio recommendation. And here's the favorite part of these key features. It has a AI-driven specialized advice, advanced, and also has an automated financial planning and no human financial advisor required. And here's the downside. No longer operational. It has a limited user base before shutting down and also lacked strong investment management features. And here's the conclusion. Pefin is no longer available, so it's not an option for robo-advising. So if you're looking for a good alternative, consider platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, Sofa Invest, or Fidelity Go, which offer automated investing with proven track record.